With the help of a few students that have opted to remain nameless and voiceless here, a tier list has been drawn up of some marking memes and pictures. Let's see how you ranked them. It's the Ed Sheeran emoji. Boring, a bit lazy, that's a D tier. Next we have a drawing of Pikachu. A bit better, B tier. This next one was quite nice, but it has to shoot right down to the bottom because it has my face on it. F tier. Bruh. A mixed reaction on this one. We eventually decided on C tier. Plan ahead. This one raised a few smiles, but again, points knocked off for having my face on it. It went all the way down to a D tier. Current status of Doge. Very cute, very popular. S tier. Multi-Doge. Why stop at 1? A tier. And a meme-headed student telling Doge, I did it! S tier. New ones soon.